sir. Yes, sir.
See, I will ask you two stories to make. First is simple and second is with conversation.
Okay.
So, hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay, sir. Good morning.
So, how are you today?
Yes, sir. Today is very fine.
Okay. May I know about you something?
My name is Divya Nayak. I am from MP and I am housewife. I have one daughter. And if you talk about my qualification, so I have done my master's and B.Ed also. And clear all my point.
Correct. Thank you so much. Okay. So today I'm going to tell you how you have to make a story, because most of the learners, they face this problem. They know
Yes.
all types of sentences, but when it comes to making a story, so they just fail. They just think, oh my God, what should I do? So
Yes, sir.
first I'm going to tell you that you have to use simple sentences. First, I'm going to tell you two story in Hindi. First is simple, second is with conversation. So
Okay,
my
sir.
first story with some simple. Such
Yes,
as,
sir.
कल मैं घर पर थी.
Yeah, yesterday I was at home.
मेरी मॉम किचन में थी.
My mom was in the kitchen.
मैं पढ़ रही थी.
I was reading.
मेरा मोबाइल टेबल पे रखा था.
My mobile was kept on the table.
अचानक से मेरा मोबाइल बजने लगा.
Suddenly my mobile rang.
मैंने कॉल को रिसीव किया.
I received my call.
ये रॉन्ग नंबर था.
There was wrong number.
It was wrong number. Yeah, of course, it was wrong number.
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद मैं फिर पढ़ने लगी.
After that I started reading.
फिर अचानक से लाइट चली गई.
Suddenly the light has gone.
फिर मैं बाहर गई.
After that I went to the outside.
मेरा आइसक्रीम खाने का मन हुआ.
I feel like I ate ice cream.
I felt like eating ice cream.
Yeah, I felt like eating ice cream.
मेरे पास 20 रुपये थे.
I had only 20 rupees.
मैं एक ग्रोसरी शॉप पे गई.
I went to one grocery shop.
वहां से मैंने एक आइसक्रीम खरीदी.
I purchased one ice cream.
और आइसक्रीम खाने लगी.
I started eating ice cream.
फिर मैं घर आई.
Then I went home.
फिर मैंने लंच किया.
Then I took the lunch.
फिर मैं लंच लेने के बाद थोड़ी देर आराम किया.
After that, after taking lunch, I took some rest.
शाम को मैं 3 बजे उठी.
In the evening time, I woke up at 3 o'clock.
फिर मैं किचन में गई.
Then I went to the kitchen.
किचन में सब्जियां नहीं थी.
There was no vegetable there.
Yes. फिर मैं मार्केट गई.
I went to the market.
मैंने बहुत सारी सब्जियां खरीदी.
I purchased lots of vegetable.
फिर मैं घर आई.
Then I came back home.
फिर मैंने सारी सब्जियों को फ्रिज में रखा.
And all vegetables kept on the refrigerator.
फिर मैंने थोड़ी देर आराम किया.
And then I took some rest.
फिर मैंने चाय बनाई.
Then I made tea.
फिर मैंने चाय पी.
And I took tea.
चाय पीने के बाद मैं अपने कमरे में गई.
After taking tea, I went to my room.
फिर मैं टीवी देखने लगी.
After that, I watched TV. I started watching TV.
मैं आधे घंटे तक टीवी देखती रही.
I have been watching TV for half an hour.
केप टाउन का यूज कर सकते हो. केप टाउन. कीप का केप टाउन. I kept on watching TV for half an hour.
Okay. I kept on watching TV for half an hour.
उसके बाद मैंने डिनर बनाया.
After that, I prepared dinner.
फिर मैंने डिनर किया.
Then I took the dinner.
डिनर करने के बाद मैं छत पर गई.
After taking dinner, I went to on my roof.
फिर मैंने थोड़ी देर मतलब वॉक किया.
After that, I walked some time.
आधे घंटे के बाद मैं नीचे आई.
After half an hour, I came back downside.
I came downstairs. Okay.
I
फिर
came
मैं
down.
बेड पे गई.
Then I went to the bed.
थोड़ी देर मैंने मोबाइल यूज किया.
After that, some time I used my mobile.
फिर मुझे नींद आने लगी.
After that, I got sleepy.
I felt sleepy.
Sleepy.
फिर मैंने मोबाइल को बगल में रख दिया.
And then I kept mobile beside me.
और फिर मैं सो गई.
And I slept.
So it was a simple story, like we have used only was, were and second form. So this is simple story. And if I talk about one more story with conversation, so I'm going to start. Okay. And you have to show conversation. I'm going to tell you how you can show conversation in your story. Okay. कल मैं किचन में चाय बना रही थी.
Yesterday I was making tea in the kitchen.
अचानक से किसी ने दरवाजा नॉक किया.
Suddenly someone knocked the door.
मैंने अपनी सिस्टर से दरवाजा खोलने को कहा.
I said to my sister, please open the door.
उसने कहा मैं पढ़ रही हूँ.
She said to me, this time I am reading.
फिर मैंने गैस ऑफ कर दी.
After that, I turned off the gas.
फिर मैं दरवाजे पर गई.
Then I went to the door.
मैंने दरवाजा खोला.
I opened the door.
मैंने देखा वहां पर एक बेगर खड़ा था.
I saw there was one beggar
standing. उसने मुझसे पूछा.
he asked me,
क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ खाने के लिए है?
क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ खाने के लिए? Have you something for eating?
Do you से कर सकते हो ना? Do you have something to eat?
Something for eating.
To eat. खाने के लिए. मैंने कहा ठीक है आप वेट करो मैं आती हूँ.
Okay, wait some time. I can.
I'm coming with food.
I come.
फिर मैं किचन में गई.
Then I went to the kitchen.
मैंने कुछ फूड लिया और उसके पास गई.
I took some food and I went to her. Him. And to.
फिर मैंने उसको खाना दिया.
I got some food.
वो खाना खाया. फिर उसने मुझको ब्लेस किया.
Yeah, after that he blessed me.
फिर वो चला गया.
And then he went.
फिर मैं किचन में फिर से चाय बनाने लगी.
I started making tea in the kitchen.
चाय बनाते समय किसी ने कॉल किया.
At that time I made the tea, so someone called me.
When I was making tea, meanwhile someone called.
Then I was making tea while someone called me.
मैंने कॉल को रिसीव किया. Your voice is not coming a little bit. Hello.
Okay. I received the call.
ये मेरे दोस्त का कॉल था.
It was my friend's call.
मेरे दोस्त ने मुझसे पूछा आप कहाँ हो.
My friend asked me, where are you?
मैंने बोला कि मैं घर पे हूँ. क्या हुआ?
I said, I am in my home. What happened at my home?
उसने कहा ना मुझे थोड़े पैसों की जरूरत है.
Okay. He said to me, I have some money. I need to some money this
I
time.
need some money. टू नहीं लगेगा.
I need some.
मैंने उसे पूछा आपको कितने पैसे चाहिए.
Okay, I asked, कितने पैसे चाहिए? How many rupees should you have? Should you need?
How much money do you want? You know.
You want? How much money do you want?
उसने कहा मुझे ना 2000 चाहिए.
I should only 2000 rupees.
मैंने कहा 2000 रुपये तो मेरे पास नहीं है.
I don't have 2000 rupees this time.
और मुझे आज मार्केट जाना है.
I have to go to the market today.
मुझे बहुत सारी सब्जियां और कपड़े खरीदने हैं.
I bought some clothes and vegetable.
उसने कहा फिर ठीक है थैंक यू और कॉल को कट कर दिया.
Okay, he cut the call.
Yeah, he disconnected the call. Okay. फिर से मैं चाय बनाने लगी.
After that, I started making tea.
Again. इस बार मेरी मॉम ने मुझे बुलाया. वो कमरे में थी.
This time, my mom called me, and kitchen में थी. She was in the kitchen.
Room. She was in the room. किचन में तो आप थी.
She was in.
मैंने गैस को ऑफ कर दिया.
Turn off the gas.
फिर मैं मॉम के पास गई.
And I went to my mom.
मॉम ने मुझसे पूछा बगल वाली दुकान पे जाओ और एक बिस्किट पैकेट लेकर आओ.
Okay, mom said to me, please go to the beside shop and take the one biscuit of packet.
One biscuit packet. Okay. मैंने मॉम से पैसे लिए.
I take the money to my mom.
Took money.
The money to my mom.
फिर मैं शॉप पर गई.
I went to the shop.
वहां पर दो लोग और खड़े थे.
There was two person already standing.
There were, दो लोग थे ना. There were two people standing at the shop.
Standing.
Okay. उनके बाद मेरा नंबर आया.
After that, my number coming.
After then, my turn came. शॉपकीपर ने मुझसे पूछा क्या लेना चाहते हैं.
Shopkeeper asked me, what wants to you buy?
What do you want to buy?
What do you want to buy?
मैंने कहा मुझे ना वो पार्ले बिस्किट दो 5 वाला.
Okay, I said, please give me parle biscuit 5 rupees. I want to buy.
Worth 5 rupees. Yeah, 5 rupees parle biscuit. Okay, both are correct. उसने मुझे दिया.
After that, he gave me.
मैंने उसको पैसे दिए.
And then I took the money.
Give him money.
Okay, give the money.
फिर मैं घर आई.
And I came back home.
मैंने मॉम को बिस्किट पैकेट दिया.
I gave the biscuit packet to my mom.
To my mom. और फिर मैं किचन में गई.
Then I went to the kitchen.
फिर मैं चाय बनाने लगी.
And then I started making the tea.
इस बार मेरे डैड ने मुझे बुलाया. वो छत पर थे.
At this time, my father called me, and at that time he was on the roof.
Yes, he was on the roof. मैंने फिर गैस ऑफ कर दिया.
And then Again, I turn off the gas,
मैं छत पर गई,
and then I went on the roof.
मेरे डैड ने कहा ना बारिश होने वाली है, सारे कपड़े नीचे ले जाओ।
Okay, my father said to me, it's started raining, so you took all clothes and went to the downstairs.
बारिश होने वाली है। It is
It
going
start.
to rain. It is going to rain. It is going to rain.
Okay, it is going to rain.
हाँ, और सारे कपड़े नीचे ले जाओ। Take all the clothes down.
And down.
मैंने सारे कपड़ों को कलेक्ट किया और नीचे चली गई।
And then I call all clothes collected, and then I went to the downstairs.
मैंने सारे कपड़ों को अलमीरा में रख दिया।
I kept on all clothes to almirah.
फिर मैं किचन में गई, चाय बनाने लगी।
And then again I went to the kitchen and I started making tea.
फिर मेरी सिस्टर ने कॉल किया, मुझे बुलाया।
And then my sister called me.
उसने मुझसे पूछा, आपने चाय बना ली है?
After that he asked me, चाय बना लिया? You made the tea?
Are you made the tea? Are you made the tea?
Are you made?
मैंने कहा नहीं, अभी मैं चाय बना रही हूँ। मैं 1 घंटे से चाय तो बना रही हूँ।
Okay. I have been making tea for 1 hour.
फिर मेरी सिस्टर ने मुझे बुलाया, मुझसे बोला कि यहाँ आओ, मैं कुछ आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ।
After that my sister said to me, come here and I want to see some thing.
I want to show you something.
I want to show you something.
मैंने गैस टर्न ऑफ कर दिया।
And then I yes.
टर्न ऑफ द गैस। फिर मैं अपनी सिस्टर के पास गई।
Then I went to my sister.
मैंने उससे पूछा, क्या दिखाना चाहते हो?
Okay, I asked, what do you want to see me?
Show me.
What do you want to show me?
Okay. उसने कहा ना, ये देखो स्टोरी कितनी फनी है। कोई बुक में स्टोरी होगी?
Yes sir, some people there.
Yes, just because of my niece. Okay. उसने मुझसे कहा कि देखो सिस्टर, ये कितनी फनी स्टोरी है। मैंने इसको जब मैंने पढ़ रही थी तो मुझे बहुत ही हंसी आई।
Look at this story and this is very funny. When I was reading this story, so I have lots of fun.
क्या तुम भी पढ़ना चाहती हो ये स्टोरी? मैंने कहा नहीं, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है।
So I said no, I don't have any time.
फिर मैं किचन में जाने लगी चाय बनाने के लिए।
We started going to the kitchen for making tea.
To make tea. फिर मेरी मॉम ने मुझे बुलाया।
Then again my mom called me.
और मॉम ने कहा, मुझे ना 1 गिलास पानी दो।
Then my mom said to me, please give me a glass of water.
मैंने फिर मॉम को 1 गिलास पानी दिया।
And then I gave a glass of water to my mom.
और फिर मैं किचन में गई।
And then I went to the kitchen.
मैंने इस बार गैस ऑन नहीं किया।
And this time I didn't turn on the gas.
मैंने सॉसपैन बोलते ना उसको, सॉसपैन को पकड़ा।
I hold.
held पकड़ा मतलब held, hold का held।
I held on saucepan.
और मैंने उस सारी चाय बाहर फेंक दी।
And then I thought out all the tea.
Threw.
I threw out the tea.
फिर मैं वापस घर में आई।
Then again, I returned home.
मेरी मॉम ने कहा चाय लेकर आओ.
And my mom said to me, please took the tea.
मैंने कहा चाय खराब हो गई. Okay. How will you speak?
Okay. खराब हो गई थी. The tea was destroyed. Bad. खराब के लिए.
अब go off होता है एक फ्रेजल वर्ब जब कोई चीज खराब हो जाता है. तो चाय खराब हो गई है.
The tea was go off.
हाँ, चाय खराब हो गई है. Tea has gone off.
Okay. Gone off.
Tea has gone off. अब मैं कल चाय बनाऊंगी.
This time I very tired, so tomorrow I will make tea surely.
अगर आप लोग बनाने दोगे तो.
अगर आप बनाने दोगे तो. If you give me tea.
You let me make.
Okay, if you let me make the tea.
Okay, so like there is no problem with the storytelling. One story was simple and second story was with conversation. हम लोग बातें कर रहे थे family member वालों से. So just tell me, like did you enjoy?
This story very helpful for speaking practice.
Yes. You know, we suppose we are learning English, so we must know how to make a story, how to ask question and reply. Like video has like become 24 minutes. Otherwise, I would show you how to make a story and how to ask question related story. So
yes,
it is very important for us, for beginners. So okay, ma'am, thank you so much that you have given me your precious time. And I have been teaching you, I think, 2 months, for 2 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and to just tell me that what did you learn from me? Just tell me.
Okay, sir.
Because, 2 months ago, and when you start taking classes from me, just tell me the experience.
Okay, sir. The experience was very good, and I feel this time, yeah, I am able to speak in English in front of any person. But yeah, 3 or 5 months ago, I didn't able to talk to any person. I feel very hesitation, but this time I'm not feel hesitation because this region of you and your teaching style is very good. This you give me like everyday situation basis story and like how to make the sentences. So this is very benefit.
Thank you. And it is not just because of me, it is just because of you, because we have to observe. This is language. We have to observe that, okay, how do I speak in past time? How do I speak in present and future? And just ask question and reply. This is language. Don't think this is a grammar, you know.
Yes, sir.
So,
and you always guide me, na, so that's why, sir, my speak.
okay, thank you so much. So I must say that now you don't have any problem. So just practice a little bit. Of course, you are gonna be fluent.
Okay, sir. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you too. Yes, thank you.